Hey everybody, so today's question is edit distance. So we are given two words and we have to convert first word into the second word. We can do three operations, either we can insert a character or delete a character or replace a character. For example, we have given host and we have to convert it to row. So we have given the explanation that we can replace H with R or we can remove R and then we can remove E and host will get converted to row. So let's see. For example, we have taken ABCD and AZC. So if we say, so if we have two empty strings, they both are same. So to make them same, we will need zero operations. If we have A and a empty string, then we will need one operation as we have to insert A. If we have AB and an empty string, we will need two operations as we have to insert A and B. Same for ABC, we need three operations and ABCD we need four operations. And the same goes for here. For empty string, we need one operation for A, AZ2 and AZC three operations. If we want to make string A equals to A, how can we proceed? So we know that the empty strings took zero operations and we can just add A in 0 and it will be equal to A. Or we can say if we can make 0 or we can say if we can make A from 0 in one operation, then and if we have A extra in it, then we just have to remove it. So one more extra operation, so total two operations. Or we can say if we can make 0 from A, that will take one operation and then we can make A from 0 and it will take another one operation. So total two operations. So the best approach here was to take empty string and do no operations because AAR already equal. So moving forward, if we have the string, if we have to make AB and A equal, what can we do? We can say that previously we made A equals to 0. Now we will add A in it. So one extra operation and the previous operations. So 1 plus 1 and we got A in two operations. Or we can say that we make 0 from AB in two operations and then we need one more operation to make it A. So total three operations. Or we can say that we need that we need or we can say that we need 0 operations to make A equals to A. Now we will need one more operation to remove B from the starting string AB equal to A. So we can see the pattern that for this operation we need one extra operation, or for this operation also we need one more extra operation, or for this operation also we need one more extra operation. So we can say that if the characters are equal, then we need to see just the minimum of previous three operations, or if they're not equal, then we need minimum of previous three operations plus the one. We have take minimum because we want to calculate the minimum number of operations we need. So for this case A, B, C and A, we will see the minimum 3. The minimum is 1 plus 1 2. Here minimum is 2 plus 1 3. Here minimum is 0 plus 1 1 and so on. Here we got C equal to C. So we will just take the minimum, that is 1, and move forward. So 2. So for after completing whole grid, we got the last element, that is 2, as the optimal solution. So we got the idea that how can we proceed. So in this, firstly we have formed a DP grid. Its size will be m into n, and this this solution will also take time of O m into n. And then we are checking if the words are equal, then we are finding the minimum of the 3 and adding 1 to it. Python M and N are the sides of the grid. Then we are making a DP grid, then iterating over it, and then giving it the value ij if words are equal, else minimum plus 1. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, you can give it in the comment sections below.